Asan si Ate Christy? Production number? Okay, maraming salamat. The show is about to start. Places.
Miss Candidate number 8, Louie Alessa Pahuyo. And of course, candidate number 9, Miss Sophia. Contestant number 8, Miss Louie and Elisa Pahuyo. And contestant number 9, Sophia R. Bartolata. Our Mr. Little Youth Award Bituta 2025 contestant number 8, Miss Louie and Alisa Pahuyo. Louie, the archery sportsman, showcase a couple's sporty and adventurous look, lightweight position, discipline, and youthful confidence. Again, our contestant number 8, Miss Louie Alisa. Contestant number 9, Rosa. Contestant number 6, Alena Elabel Ventanilla. Contestant number 7, Sophie Jasmina Jose. Contestant number 8, Louie Alisa Pahuyo. And contestant number 9, Miss Sophia. Our Mr. Youth Award Bituta 2025. Contestant number 2, Mr. William Timothy Mendasa.
What? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years of bitterness have passed. It was one lovely evening. My father was sitting in his favorite big chair in the sala. My mother was singing very happy while playing the piano while I danced for them. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard at the door. Deep silence ensued. Did the cruel leaf want to discover our peaceful home? Mother ran trembling to father's side, pleading, "Please, Julian, hide in the cellar. They cannot find you there." I pulled father's head, but he did not move. It seemed though his feet were glued to the floor. He embraced mother and me, took us protectively into his loving arms. The door went bang, and before us 5 ugly beasts came barging in. "Are you Captain Julian Santos?" roared the ugliest of them all. "Yes, my father. What do you want?" "You were under arrest," said the leader of the beasts. They pulled father roughly away from us. Father wasn't given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them, mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We passed a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered seeing the delicious fruits they were eating. So sudden, we heard a familiar voice call. At first, it was loud and clear, then fainter, fainter, fainter. "Consuelo! Pasita! Consuelo! Pasita! Consuelo! Pasita!" We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw father hanging from a tree, dead! Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten and tortured before he was killed. Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor sick mother in our arms. One day, we heard a church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. It was an alarm for us to find a shelter, but I could not leave my poor invalid mother. I tried to lead her to the way to our hideout, but confusion all around. Cannons were firing somewhere. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Bombs were bursting all around. Boom, boom, and boom. Mother was hit. Her legs shattered into bits. I took her gently in my arms and shouted, "I'll have vengeance! Vengeance! Vengeance!" "No, my mother. Vengeance is not ours. It's God's." My mother, and she died. No strength surged within me. Mother was dead. I was blind. I must live to avenge. Vengeance is not ours. To forgive, divine is sweeter. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Alms. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin, so rotten. Vengeance is it not ours. It's God's. It's
Miss Louie Alicia Pahuyo. Louie, contestant number 8, is wearing a charming pink ball gown adorned with delicate sparkling accents, radiating sweetness, elegance, and pageant-ready glamour. Its flowing silhouette and soft, highlight voice and star quality, making confidence and stage presence ready. Again, contestant number 8, Louie Alisa Pahuyo. Contestant number 8, Louie Alisa Pahuyo. And contestant number 9, Bartolata Sofia.
It's okay.
Contestant number 1, Mr. John Yuan. What a journey turn this has been. I'm truly happy to be on stage again where my journey began. It has truly been unforgettable. Sa Pauyo. Candidate number 9, Sophia Bartolata. Our Little Mr. Yulo Rebigutan 2025. Contestant number 1, John Yuan Samarita. Contestant number 4, Mr. John Lear Capote. Contestant number 5, Mr. Miguelito Tamo. Our top seller for the 2005 Little Mr. and Miss New Lower Bigutan is no other than contestant number 8 is Louie Alessa Paulo and Mr. Don Cray Ochoa. Wow!
Thank you po, Mama. Thank you po sa mga nag-support at ang pamilya ko.
For female category, congratulations to Miss contestant number 8, Louie Alessa Paulo. Thank you so much. Our best in talent. Sino? Anong number? Parang nakita ko ang itinaas na number. Candidate number 8, Louie Alessa Paulo. And of course, because of the generosity, of course, syempre, ng ating chairman, nakagawad na walang iba kundi si Kagawad Sita, pinababatid po niya sa lahat po ng mga walang special award, kayo pa rin po ay may tatanggap ng constellation coming from Kagawad Sita Padero. Muli, palakpakan po natin our candidates na mga nagwagi for our special. Unahin muna natin ang female category. Kapag kayo po ay tinawag, kids, kapag tinawag ang inyong pangalan, kayo ay po-forward. Alright? Top 5 na ito. Maraming salamat at ang gagaling ninyo. Pwede ba? Atras muna tayo. Move back, 3-step backward. In random order.
Number 8.
Our first top 5 finalists, garnering an average score of 90.9%. Congratulations to Miss Talia Saira Eneblasa. You are included in top 5. Louis Alessa Uyo. Ikaw ay magpapatuloy. The Palace.
Hi Louie! Alam mo ba yung Sustainable Development Goals? Yun, sakto. Hindi naman doon yung tanong ko.
Pwede po English.
Ay! Bababaan ko score mo. Okay, English is okay. Oh, so, Louie, here's your question. Hanapin ko lang ang code ko. Okay ka lang, Louie? Alright, here's your question. Okay, eto. Why should you be the next Miss Little New Lower Biguta?
Because I am nice and I help people and I am so nice that even if I'm eating food and then there is no people, I give them food.
Alright.
May I request the remaining contestants to move forward. Forward tayo at ang ating mga judges and awardee ay mapupunta po sa likuran nila. Ang tatawagin ko ay ang 2025 Mr. and Miss or Little Mr. and Miss U Lower Bigutan 2025. Ibig sabihin po mga kabarangay, ang hindi ko tatawagin is the first runner-up. The role of the first runner-up, if the winner is unable to complete or complete her reign, ang first runner-up po, ang magtutuloy. Handa na ba kayo? Uulitin ko ha. Ang tatawagin ko ay ang title o ang nanalo.
Louie! 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 Number 8! Number 8!
Award!
Number 8!
Little Mr. and Miss U Lower Bigutan 2025. Congratulations to Congratulations, Sue! Axie Brennan Canela and Sophia Jesmael Jose! May I request the remaining contestants to move forward. Forward tayo at ang ating mga judges and awardee ay mapupunta po sa likuran nila. Ang tatawagin ko ay ang 2025 Mr. and Miss or Little Mr. and Miss U Lower Bigutan 2025. Ibig sabihin po mga kabarangay, ang hindi ko tatawagin is the first runner-up. The role of the first runner-up, if the winner is unable to complete her reign, ang first runner-up po, ang magtutuloy. Handa na ba kayo? Uulitin ko ha. Ang tatawagin ko ay ang title o ang nanalo.
Louie! 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 Number 8! Number 8!
Award!
Number 8!
Little Mr. and Miss U Lower Bigutan 2025. Congratulations, Sue! Congratulations, Sue! Axie Brennan Canela and Sophia Jesmael Jose!
Little stars shine bright, twinkling in the night. Up above the world, in the sky so high. Moon smiles down at me from behind the tree, glistening in the night, oh so warm and bright. Stars and moon they play, shining night and day, dancing in the skies with their sparkling eyes. Trees whisper soft tunes under silver moons, leaves sway side to side in a joyful glide. Trees whisper soft tunes under silver moons, leaves sway side